see if I have enough glue stick before I switch over to the new one. Oops. Okay. Remember to put the glue on the front side of the glass, or the front side of the pattern, not the side you would normally put it on. Okay. And this is such an opportunity for confusion right here. And you can see, even though this is the smooth side of the glass, there's still quite a bit of texture on it. You can just see by the way the light is reflecting off of it that there's a lot going on with this glass.
And you make your own too, right? You were telling me about the lamp that you did, that you have over there, that centerpiece that you made.
Yes, the centerpiece of that first one, I actually made my own. It's kind of the focal piece.
Let's see it.
I made my own glass for that center section. Oh, we know it's not going to light up very well because the lamp is so much higher. It's a piece of iridized textured glass.
That green one, right, in the middle?
In the very middle, yeah, and it's got hand-blown confetti glass fused to the back side of it.
It's beautiful.
Thank you. Okay, all of those pieces are down.